Hello, we are Techno Exponent, one of the leading software development company known for delivering superior quality of website at a reasonable cost. We have an expert team of WordPress developers who are well equipped with the latest version of WordPress, having an experience of more than 7 years. So now let's have a quick look at our WordPress walks. This is Fashion Wishes, an online fashion boutiques that provide wide range of fashionable products that are accessible to everyone. This is the search bar through which one can search for the product by writing the keyword over here and click on here. Here you can view the different categories that are available and the subcategories. So these are the categories like clothing, shoes, accessories, jewelry. So let's suppose we select this category and here comes the list of the subcategory. So we will be selecting any of the subcategory to get into the listing page of the subcategory. Here comes the list of the product on the basis of the subcategory that can be filtered on the basis of price, standard, popularity, latest product, lowest price, highest price, etc. So we will be selecting any of them to get into the details page of the product. So we have selected this. Here comes the details page of the product with the multiple images of the product. Here you can see with the product images, description of the product, availability, price, attributes, information, reviews and related product. So here comes the option add to cart. So if you select this, the product will get added to the cart. So once we select the cart, here comes your cart. This is your product with the number, the quantity, with the item price and subtotal. From here you can update your cart and can complete your order. So once you click on complete order, they will be asking about your billing address as well as the shipping address. Here payment can be done through online as well as offline payment mode. You can see we have integrated different payment gateway over here. One can pay through iDeal or bank transfer. Here comes another shopping cart website where we have integrated WPML plugin to provide multilingual option. In this website we also have done social media integration. This is the section through which one can search. Here comes the orders. On clicking this, you'll get into the listing page of the products. You can see the rating, name and the pricing of the products that can be filtered on the basis of price, standard, popularity, newest product, largest price, lowest price, etc. So if we click on the product, we will get into the details page of the product where we can select the size according to our preference and can select the quantity and then can add the product to the cart. Similar to the previous one, we can view the product in our cart with the quantity, pricing and subtotal, and from here we can pay for the product by clicking on complete order. Here comes a WooCommerce installed website that provides wide range of shoes of different colors and size. These are the listing of shoes that you can view. So once we click on any of them, we will get into the details page. This is the image of the shoe. You can view the image while you hover the mouse. Description with the pricing, product details. From here you can choose the size of your shoe and add the shoe to your bag. Here comes description, additional information regarding the shoe, reviews and the size chart. These are the related products. Once you have added the product to your cart, you can pay for the product. You can see we have integrated different payment gateways over here. One can pay through PayPal or can pay through their credit card or debit cards. This is Road Racing, another website. For understanding, we have to get into the result page of this website. So here comes the result page of the website. 3 sections are visible over here: season, class and race. So admin can add seasons like 2015, 14, 13, 12 and respectively can add classes under the seasons. You can see these are the classes under seasons. And races can be created accordingly. Once the race is created, a shortcode will be automatically generated that will create a page for the rest. Admin can fill rider forms, racetrack forms, result form, and respective page will be automatically created by shortcode generation. So hope it's clear to you that how proficient our developers are in creating WordPress websites. Now here comes the point, why should you choose us? Choose from the experts. Our company consists of right mix of expertise and skill. We have around 73 employees in our company, including developers, HTML coders, designers, system analyst, project manager, tester. So you can choose from our large pool of experts. No startup or maintenance cost. We don't want any upfront payment, no hidden or extra cost included. Dedicated expertise working just for you. It's like hiring your own employee working from our offshore development center in India. Trustworthiness. At Techno Exponent, to give our best shot is our philosophy. We aim to client satisfaction. Believe in us as we believe in quality. Stay connected. You can stay connected with your team during your assigned working hour to get regular updates from the programmer. Comprehensive recruitment process. Our standard screening process includes aptitude test, technical test, HR round, which results in finding the best suitable expertise for your project. So thank you for hearing us and going through this video. Shall be goodly waiting for your positive feedback.